So how do you take the JPEG photos on the iPhone? Let me explain it, and if it's your first time in here, subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. Well, inside of gallery, you can see we have images, but they are all in different formats, and you can find out about it when you swipe up on it like this and see right there, this little icon says everything about the format, HEIF, right? The next image, as you can see, is in the JPEG. So that's how you can see which one is which. But in order to capture the photos in the format you actually prefer, you need to set it up inside of the settings. A lot of people think that they need to go to the camera app, which there are some controls, but not really anything about the format. So instead, you have to go to the settings, find camera in here, and go to the formats. And the most important part is the thing at the top. So we have high efficiency and most compatible. You have like rather long description about it, but most compatible basically means JPEG, because it really is most compatible. Like every computer or phone is going to be able to view that. Whereas high efficiency may be of higher quality, but some devices or places like websites or apps might struggle with it or outright just don't open it. So if you want to make sure that the photo works everywhere, just click on most compatible, and the image is going to be in the JPEG, which is what we actually want to do. But that's all, right? Of course, you can convert the existing non-JPEG images to JPEG using website converters. Like you can go to the Safari and use like the HEIF to JPEG converter, right? And there are going to be so many apps and websites which can get the job done. You essentially upload your image there and then download it in a different format. There are also apps for it and software and so on. So you can do it, but it's best to capture them in the format you already want. So that's it from me. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.